So what is a factor? Factors are all the different numbers that can be divided cleanly into this number 27 without a remainder. So how do we figure out all the factors? So first, we'll always start with the number and 1, because 1 times 27, we're going to do it in factor pairs. 1 times 27 is 27. Now let's think about numbers in between. I also know that 3 can go into 27. 3 times what is 27? 3 times 9 is 27. And this is it. These are the only factors of 27. So we got 1, 27, 3, and 9. And order doesn't matter, I think, for these entries. What are the factors of 16? Well, again, we got 1 and 16. It's divisible by 2, so we can also have 2. 2 times what is 16? That's 8. Then we have one more factor. We also have 4, because 4 times 4 is 16. Do we need to write another 4? No. So in this case, we've got 1, we've got 16, we've got 2, we've got 8, and we got 4. All right, last one, write all the factors of 12. So start again with 1 and 12. This is even, so we know 2 goes into it, 2 goes into it. How many times? 6 times. And we got one set in between, which is 3 times 4, which is 12. And those are all the factors. So we got 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, and